Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to restore an archived post on Instagram. If you've accidentally archived a post or want to bring an old post back to life, this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 3. Click on Archive and switch to the Post Archive section. Step 4. Here, you will see your archived posts arranged by date. Select the post that you want to restore. Step 5. Once you have selected the post, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 6. From the menu, select Show on Profile. Step 7. The post will now be restored to its original location on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully restored an archived post on Instagram. It's that easy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.